Hi everyone, today I want to show you this cool electric callus remover for feet. It's actually portable, you can take it with you everywhere if you travel, if you're on vacation. I will send this product for review. Let's open the box. Right, there's some instruction. You have a cleaning brush for nail, charger, Type-C USB, and this is how it's look like our removal. I love it. Very small, you can put in your bag. It comes with extra heads, 5 actually, different types, big and small. Here's the button. Start working immediately. Wow, that's cool. Oh, it's actually different speeds. It's 2 different speeds, more faster and medium speed. And here's we have a different heads. This is big, 3 big and 2 small. For you that you can change it. Guys, this is really a cool product. You can clean your feet everywhere. I will definitely recommend you can buy this cool remover on Amazon.